Oh, this is beautiful, dude. You can see Mount Jefferson over there. If you don't know, we're out at Mount Hood. We'll be here for a solid week, so we should get a lot of good videos here. These jumps are a little mini. Oh yeah, a little icy. Holy, I went big. Oh. Yo. Yo. Oh, nice slow down tube. This must be melting out. Woo. Oh. Oh, waterfall. This looks sketchy. Woo. Oh, look at that S-rail. Oh. Hit it. Yeah, that's aggressive. That's like Highlands. Yeah. Oh, dude, this place is a vibe. Pretty solid park. Bro, it is so nice out. It's probably like 50 or something. It's just perfect. I don't feel like doing anything yet. It's so icy still.
I'm a 3 yet.
All right. All right, bet. I'll follow you in. I'll go switch one. These are so fast right now. Let's go switch one. Okay, we can go a little faster than that. Should we try 3 this? Bang. And 3 this one. Yo.
Seeing them is so floaty.
I did switch 1, 3, 3.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the DFD. I like the theme they have going on with the rails. They're all like bright orange. That's sick, dude. Bang. A challenge rail almost. Yo. A-frame, I haven't hit this yet. Oh, that's sketchy. A little dent in that one. No. All right, we'll try the S again. Go slow. Oh. See if anyone makes it. Yo, you almost made it. Dude, that's a good park setup though. We're gonna have some fun on this. Let's hit the wiggle.
I'm just like praying I don't catch tips.
That's why I'm thinking fronty. I feel like it's not that, I don't have to huck it that hard, right?
I don't think so. Let's do it.
Let's go. All right, we're gonna try fronty. Oh, massive. Slow down. 3. Oh. All right. Slow down. 3. I went so big on one. I barely set my flip.
Oh, I set it way too hard. I almost.
Yeah, yeah. I wonder if I could switch on to the DFD. We're gonna try it. Oh my God. Oh, oh, oh. That's too high, bro. Bro, I was like, I think I can get my noses over, and then just boom. First rail trick of the day. Back 2. All right, let's go really slow for that rail. Oh! Oh! Yo! Let's go. Do you think we'll get challenge rail first time? Oh, that's aggressive, dude. Nope. Those kinks are really aggressive. You don't want to go too fast on that. Should we hit the little wiggle? Oh. Let's go for another fronty. Oh, little back seat. Oh, I'm going so big, dude. I gotta chill it out. Bang. Nose grab. Okay, we are so loose right now, but we're still warming up. I haven't skied in a minute, bro. Yo. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh, little big there, buddy. That is a clip, chat. Could switch on to this. This is lower. Let's try one here. Yeah, a little scary. Okay, wonder if we can swap this. Bang. Back slide. All right, S-rail. Let's go nice and slow. Oh, I gotta lock in on that, dude. Couple speed checks. That's further. Wiggle, wiggle. Oh, it's getting deep. It just keeps going. You gonna go for cork sub?
We'll see what we got.
If you're going for it, I'm going for it. All right, let's go, boys. Bang. That was huge, dude. Let's go. That's really nice. The jumps are still weird to get used to. The lip's short and they're so long. All right, I'm thinking we switch on to this. That A-frame down there, I want to try like disaster or something. Can we disaster this? Oh, I barely cleared that kink. Oh, backside. Oh, oh my, bro. Oh, it's so big. Oh, I am so loose on the rails right now. It's like my first day on rails ever. Oh. Ooh, let's go, bro. Want to do the same line as last time? Front flip. Three. Woo! After bang. Yep. Let's go, bro. Bang. We gotta try switch onto this here. Bang. Bang. Back two. I feel like I could back for that. Oh. All right, we gotta go a little more to the left on this one. Oh. All right, where's this side hit? Oh, yo, that's actually a booter, dude. We can flip that if we really want to. That side hit's so fun, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and flip it next time.
Sick. Let's go. All right, same line as last time. We get a front flip. Oh, I thought I was gonna under rotate that. Three. Let's go, Jaden. Oh, no. Too slow.
I guess, dude. I thought I was going good.
These are some fast jumps. You got to be cooking, kind of. All right, we're doing pretty good on the jumps, but I feel like we got to lock in on the rails a little bit. First day, we're still a little bit rusty, but that's okay. We got a bunch of days to be here, so. Can we get switch to switch? I feel like that's core. Oh, all right. S rail. Ew. That's not the S rail, that's the hash rail. All right, let's go challenge. No! Oh man, that was so close. Oh, I missed it. Oh, never mind. It's right here. That's up there, dude. All right, back flip. Yo! Oh, that was crazy, bro. I don't really want to flip that. That looks like sketchy. I'm not trying to get hurt on the first day. Oh. I think I'm not a racer, bro. I'm bad at this. Also, I don't have edges, which doesn't help. Let's go. I'm just doing more of a chill line here. On that three. Oh. On that three is a little weird still. Natural three. Bang. They're slowing down a little bit. Woo. A little loose. Maybe I should go a little faster. So close. All right, challenge rail. Let's see, bro. So close. I feel like every time too. Let's go. Ooh, 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 ooh.
The wiggle's getting good.
The wiggle is so fun. All right, what do I do? On net 33. All right, chat, let's go. Same line. Bang. I'm missing the grab. We're close though. Oh, we missed the grab twice. This is tragic. Send it out with a big one, dude. Oh, that one was fat though. I'd like to just stall it out. I'm losing it.
Me too.
Yo, so loose right now. The park is getting a little sticky. Yo, yeah, yeah. I was set up so good I could have spun it, but I just kind of wanted to clear it. All right, let's go. Come on, challenge rail. No, what was that, bro? Do we count that? I don't know, bro. That was so close. Let's hit the side in. Oh, I tried to tweak it. All right, we're going over to this lift to go all the way up to the top there. It's gonna be so sick, dude. Bro. This is so cool, dude. It's just different up here. The blue haze is so cool, and then Jefferson over there too. The wiggle. Where is it? Oh, right there. I couldn't see it. Oh, dude, this one's scary. Oh, this one's wicked, bro. Oh, there's some G-forces on this one. Dude, that's wicked.
Yo, I was so
That was scary. If I remember right, we go to the left there. Trying to find a way down, it's just a little weird. Oh, dude, this is actually kind of scary. The skis are not wide enough for this. Even if they were. East Coast POV day right here. Oh, bro, there's like craters.
Oh no!
Hey, you doing it to me now. Perpetual motion machine.
Yo, hikey works.
Yo. Oh no. That was lit, dude. All right, chat, it's a wrap. Everyone like and subscribe. You guys don't realize what we did to get here.
Honestly,
It is a miracle that we got here. And watch Jaden's video too.